And Mike, the National Guard drive-through test site was supposed to close after last Monday, but with the new Omicron variant is hitting Wisconsin right as families across the state are setting to get together for the holidays. County health officials want to make sure the community knows where to go to get tested and why they should do it. Before the holidays begin, the Crosse County Health Department wants to make sure community members aren't mistaking COVID-19 for a common cold.
I think it's so important for people to know if they have the sniffles or a sore throat, or especially if they lost their taste or smell, that they should get tested so they know what they're dealing with. There's so much that we are learning about this new variant, but one of the things that I've heard several times, it spreads very, very easy.
The Omicron variant now makes up for the majority of new COVID cases and has been detected in Wisconsin. Crosse County Health's public information officer says getting tested is about keeping the ones who are at risk safe.
And the big thing is to protect others from picking up the virus, especially those that are vulnerable. Older adults, those with compromised immune systems are the ones most at risk for a bad outcome.
Healthcare providers have COVID tests, Walgreens has tests, and UWL has a COVID test site open to the general public. Even at-home COVID tests can be a good indication of if you have the virus or not.
At-home tests, in many cases, they are antigen detection tests, which are very similar to the antigen detection kits that are used in laboratories. So they work reasonably well, though not as reliable as PCR tests or the molecular tests.
The incubation period can be up to 2 weeks, and during that time, you may not experience any symptoms. This is why the Crosse County Health Department is working on opening more COVID testing sites soon after the holidays.
Internally, we're talking about what it is that we can do. We have access to tests. We have some staff who are trained to do the testing. And then beyond that, there are some other clinics that are doing testing in the community as well.
When I spoke with Paula Silla with the County Health Department earlier today at the National Drive-Thru Clinic, she said that it was very busy compared to other days. She said she expects other testing sites to also be busy this week, so to plan ahead.
All right, thanks a lot, Cade.